Hello everyone, so we are back on the topic that is decoder. It is basically the opposite of encoder only, okay? Decoder, okay, and in this basically we have n input will be there and 2 raised to n output will be there, okay? Totally reverse, okay, of encoder. So that you need to remember, okay? Decoder and that is the encoder. Okay, totally opposite is there. We'll see, this is your input section and this is your output section, okay, that you need to remember. And let's see the diagram. We'll take one example, n equal to 2 lete and we'll draw a diagram using 2 input. Not 2 input will be there, and 2 raised to n output, that is equals to I0, I1, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. Understood? So basically 2 is to 4. Okay, and I already told you that regarding the enable, sometimes they provide basically enable pin is there. If this is enabled, then only basically the circuit will work, otherwise it won't provide you the output. Okay, nothing input will taken by the decoder and it will give you the output. If it is enabled, then only it will provide you the input and output relation. Okay, because enable is like a power pin, means if you won't give the power, then it won't able to work, circuit will won't work. Similarly then enable is that only. Okay, so sometime this is here I have won't drawn the bubble part, but sometime in, for example, I am taking this, there is a bubble is given. Okay, sometime they just give this, but they will draw a bar. Sometime bubble plus bar is given. Okay, and one is direct, nothing is given anything. Okay, so these three are same. This is same, means active low input will be taken, input active low input. Okay, and this one is basically high, means you can say a 0 here, basically active high input will be taken, active high input, that is equals to 1. Okay, these three conditions are same. Okay, and this is different. Okay, this is different. Understood? So this is different, these three are same. Whenever bubble is given, means E bar only. Whenever C bar is given, then also same. Bubble and bar both are given, bubble and bar both is given, then you need to think that this is also the same. Okay, but only nothing is mentioned. Then here I basically nothing I mentioned. This is basically the last condition. Understood? So this is just sometime they mention, otherwise not mentioned. Okay, this is depend on the examiner or basically exam pattern. Okay, now we'll see the truth table. We'll draw the truth table to understand the basic relation between the input and output. Okay, I0, 1. Whenever the two condition, this is the possibility of getting the two condition, and Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. So this will be basically this. Totally reverse of encoder. In decoder, basically we are reversing exactly the thing we have drawn. Okay, we can draw now. Y0 will be basically I1. Y0 is what? This I0, I1 bar. Y1 is basically I0, I1. Y2 is basically I0, I1 bar. Y3 is what? Y3 is basically I0, I1. Okay, now according to this we can draw the circuit diagram. We can draw the circuit diagram. Circuit diagram is simple only, nothing more is there. You just need to take the bar, NOT gate, and I will draw one diagram. Okay, rest you have to draw circuit diagram. Okay, suppose Y0 is the output. Y0 is the output. Now what is the input? This and this. Okay, but basically it requires one NOT gate. Okay, this also required one NOT gate, and both will be get AND. with the, so this you will get the output. Rest you can try at home. Okay, this will be the, understood? Rest you can try at this. So once again we'll see the overview of this decoder. Okay, the decoder we have wrote, and what are the input and output relation, n and 2 raised to n. This is totally different. We took one example also. This is your first part. Okay, we took an example of n equal to 2, and basically we have drawn this. This is the enable. Sometime it is given, sometime it's not given. Okay, it depends. Then you need to see that if enable is given, then you can have to see first of all it is enable. Okay, enable, see nothing is mentioned, means E bar is not there, bubble is not, basically E value will be 1. Okay, high. And if it is low, then bubble will be provided, or E bar will be provided, or both will be provided. Then you have to write 0. So one thing I left, if suppose here I have wrote basically without enable partner, but if enable is given na, E is given na, so E have to add here. In every case you need to add E. Okay, this will be multiplied. Okay, understood? So this you need to write. If E is given, many times they are not giving, but sometimes is given, then you have to multiply E bar. Okay, and whatever the minterms will be there, you have to write it. Clear? So this is your circuit diagram. Enjoy this. Okay, whatever the basic thing is there that you need to learn. Okay, so just go once again. Okay, if you have any doubts, then let me know about this decoder. Okay, till then try something that is based on, that is the question based on decoder. Okay, if you have any doubt, just let me know. Till then, thank you.